Welcome to another episode of Shooting Science. Today we are going to look at what comes in the box with a factory reconditioned Glock 47. Glock introduced this model during Gen 5 and it was designed to have high parts interchangeability with many other Glocks, primarily for the United States Customs and Border Patrol, but they became quite popular within the competition scene for their fantastic recoil impulse, and in addition to that, all of them come with the Glock modular optic system. With the rollout of the new Glock V models, this Gen 5 G47 has been ripped from our hands and suddenly discontinued. However, you might still find them in the form of police trade-ins or perhaps rebuilt ones like this, if you're lucky, hence the making of this video. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Here it is, G47 MOS, rebuilt. Let's see what you get in the box. 2 back straps, medium and large. You get a Glock tool for punching out the frame pin, and also this pin as well. And then this frame pin is for use with one of the back straps, if you choose to do a back strap. You get a little rod that you can put a cloth through here and then use that to clean out the barrel. And here's the lock that comes with the Glock. And inside you get this brush that connects to this thing. And so now you can use this whole thing to scrub out the barrel. So that's nice. You get a standard magazine loader. You get 2 magazines. There's one here, 17 round Glock magazines. And then there's the other one inside the Glock. And you may have already noticed, but this thing also comes with these very nice steel tritium night sights. These are the Trooper series from Ameriglow. And I think these are about $100 if you were to buy them separately. But it comes on the rebuilt Glock 47. And these also came on my rebuilt Glock 45 that I unboxed last year. Very nice. We'll take this apart here in a second. Oh, what's this? My Glock 45 rebuilt did not come with this. MOS adapter plates. 02. Wow. So they gave me an adapter plate, screws, and a tool. That's pretty cool. My last rebuilt Glock did not come with that. I'm just going to use the Vortex Defender plate anyway for a Vortex optic that's going to go on this, as I've heard that there are issues with these Glock plates. But that was very nice of them to include that. And then you have your manual and stuff. There's nothing else there. So this is the manual. This is a nice color manual. It's in multiple languages. It shows you how to install the back straps and stuff. It's pretty good. And then what else do you get? Let's see. Customer awareness form. Okay. Basic rules of firearm safety. A decal? That's cool. My last one did not come with a sticker. And then 20% off the Glock eStore when you activate your warranty. NRA thing. Glock Sport Shooting Foundation thing. Cool. So that's all the stuff you get in there. All right, I'm going to take this microfiber and wipe this down. We'll see if we can find any scratches or any wear on this, as this is a rebuilt Glock. Wow, so far it looks really good. I don't see any wear on this at all. Let's take it apart. All right, the barrel does show signs of use, but it looks like a brand new barrel. Maybe they just test fired it. It still has the factory copper Glock lube in the rails there. It's got a little bit of oil in the barrel too. This thing is ready to go. Yeah, not a speck of dirt in there. Nice and clean. Everything looking pretty new. Yeah, looks like a brand new gun. We could test the trigger real quick. £6. 6 pounds again. 6 pounds again. One more time. 6 pounds again. So right out of the box, this is a 6-pound trigger. Now, due to viewer demand, I'm going to go ahead and within this unboxing video, I'm going to go ahead and take it to the range and shoot its first 50 shots. I'm not going to lube it or anything. We'll just see how it does straight out of the box. Here we go. All right, so for my very first shots, I'm going to do 10 rounds of this Patriot Sports 124 grain ammunition, and then another 10 rounds with this Norma Range and Training 124 grain. Here we go. That felt great shooting that Patriot Sports. Now let's try the Norma. Okay, I may have gotten a little sloppy on that group, but the gun is running strong. Next, we're going to try some 147 grain ammunition from LAX Ammunition. I ain't gonna go too crazy on it. Not a bad group there with that 147 grain. Had one little flyer, but the gun ran strong again. If you're interested, I will be using this gun for competition in the future, and I am going to make a short video on a couple of different things that I'm going to do with this gun to make it competition worthy. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see that video. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments if you've got a Glock 47 and how you like it, and I'll catch you on the next one.